For me, when I first joined Crit, I was a very quiet person. I was having difficulty at the time, like joining clubs, joining societies, speaking to young people my age, and, speaking to my professors about my difficulty I was having with the course. After joining Crit, I became more open, more sociable, and a lot of the anxieties I had with people just left me, I became, I can speak to, one-to-one with anyone that I've not even met before, and I won't have any difficulties or fears. I would say to students that have difficulty, opening up, speaking up, approaching people, or finding themselves, to give Crit a chance. But it has helped me a lot to discover myself and who truly I am and what makes me me.